Oh, that sucks.
Sweet.
See how deep it is. Like
Poke in the water, just see how deep it is. Oh, it's wicked deep.
yeah. That's not that
so
bad.
I'm seriously pinned under here. If you can. God damn it. The inside of the stick?
Yeah.
So
It's really hard packed.
Alright, got it. So you gotta move. That's why somebody built the fucking bridge.
Holy shit. Get it out of there. Lift it up.
God damn it.